Carz Hub. For 2026, Lexus has once again refined the IS sedan, proving that this long-standing model continues to hold its ground in a changing market. Rather than replacing it with a completely new generation, Lexus has chosen a careful refresh, allowing loyal buyers to enjoy a modern four-door sedan that balances familiarity with meaningful updates. While pricing is not yet confirmed, availability in US dealerships is expected early next year. On the exterior, the 2026 IS introduces sharper styling cues. The redesigned front grille now extends upward toward the hood, giving the sedan a more defined and contemporary profile. Trim-specific upgrades help set each model apart. The F-Sport trim now comes with a rear spoiler and eye-catching red brake calipers, whereas the F-Sport design variant is distinguished by its fresh set of 19-inch alloy wheels. A fresh exterior shade called Wind, a metallic gray finish, joins the palette, with Neutrino Gray offered in certain markets for added personalization. Step inside, and the cabin reflects both modern convenience and traditional Lexus craftsmanship. A fully digital 12.3-inch driver display is paired with a matching 12.3-inch infotainment screen, replacing the smaller unit from earlier models. The center stack has been reorganized with neatly aligned climate controls and trapezoidal vents, while the older touchpad interface has been replaced by more intuitive physical buttons and a traditional volume knob. Even after more than a decade on the market and multiple facelifts, the Lexus IS continues to evolve. It may not be a brand new generation, but it represents the balance of tradition and progress, an option for buyers who value sporty driving, everyday comfort, and the long-term reliability Lexus is known for. If you found this review helpful, share your thoughts in the comments. Would you consider the new IS350 over its previous V8 version? And don't forget to subscribe to Carz Hub for more detailed reviews and comparisons of the cars that matter most to you. Material upgrades further highlight Lexus's attention to detail. Forged bamboo accents now appear across the console and switchgear, complemented by natural bamboo fibers around the start button. For those seeking a sportier interior, the F-Sport trim can be finished with a radiant red theme. Convenience updates include multiple USB-C charging ports, a wireless charging pad, and audio options ranging from the Lexus Premium 10-speaker system to a 17-speaker Mark Levinson package. Under the hood, a significant change has taken place. The V8-powered IS500 has been discontinued, closing the chapter on the 472-horsepower 5-liter engine. For 2026, the IS is available as the IS350, featuring a 3.5-liter V6 with 311 horsepower. Rear-wheel drive models come equipped with an 8-speed automatic transmission, while all-wheel drive versions use a 6-speed automatic. In select regions, the hybrid IS300h continues to be offered. To enhance driving feel, Lexus has introduced rack-parallel electric power steering, designed to deliver better feedback. Adaptive suspension technology has also been added, helping the sedan manage rougher roads with improved comfort. Updated driver assistance systems are included as well, with certain trims offering hands-off highway driving for added convenience.